Yo, 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 yo. All on, people. All on. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up over TikTok, big up over YouTube. Yes, we are streaming today again, but we are not playing no flight simulator because we know the most I say, I must flight sim this, I'm gonna go play or whatever. But no, today is a surprise. JD and Jeff, big up yourself. DeMarco Grayson, big up yourself as well. Yeah, but today we have something different. Something different that we go do. We have this Voxy. This is like this is one of the new style Voxys that we are going to work on. It's the Voxy ZS. Yeah, it's a Voxy ZS. Right. Voxy ZS. So this is the Voxy. And we are definitely going to be working on this. Well, we kinda almost finished already. We got most of what is needed up and ready already. So it's just like some little minor tweaking to get some stuff on the back and also with the lighting and stuff. So let's done with the long chatting and let's get that started. But bless up for everybody who there. King Pine, big up yourself, my guy. King Pine, big up King Pine. Alright, so as you see, no interior in there yet, but watch this. Boom. Yeah, so we already put in an interior in there. It's the same interior in the Voxy. Need to change this because it's a alpha already. We're just using one interior for everything. Don't mind these black things on the outside, on the outer side of it. It's just like the chassis. It's just like the chassis. The chassis is kind of wide. Back as a look, crumpled up. But yeah, the chassis is kind of wide, but we're going to small it down so that it fits properly. Alright, where do that? No. Alright, so this is the chassis. Oh, where do I have? Oh. In the weird on so. Well, in the weird on sorry. The chassis the weird on so we go size him down a little bit. We'll go they are 100. We'll go about 90. I'll go 90 and see what 90 looks like. Chassis with the chassis and the body shell. Oh, it gets smaller. Alright, so I guess we're going to have to go inside with it. Smooth with it. So I guess we're going to have to do the X. This is X axis, right? There we go. Go 98. Not 980, 98. 98. Let's see what that looks like. Wow. Alright, 98 there. 98 look like it fit. Who knows? Let's show all. Wow. Wow. Well. 98 looks like it fits. 98 look like it fits. Oh, well, where music there? It looks like it fits. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm gonna put sunroof and stuff in there. We're definitely going to do that.
Kelly on the beat, boy.
Yo, Kelly beats. Them finna say. If it go sleep up on the beach side, say she let she man on the east side. Big side focus, she no think twice, say she want the long ride. Break it out on the black mic, break it out on the sassy bike, got the uptown life. Mommy bring her in my life.
Alright, let's get in some music in. You see me? On the white sound, like. Hold on. Listen. Hold on. I get my earpods. Hold on. Alright, we're there again. Alright. So, this is it. This is what it looks like now. I'll go on there so. I don't know I'll go on there so. But we go chuck like a 2JZ engine in this. We then go chuck the normal Voxy engine like so we're gonna go out of the we're go out of the norms, you know? Yeah. Oh, so like how we scale it down now, Zine? Alright, we're gonna do we'll do the texturization of this. Let's see. Where the headlight them there. Headlight left and right. So boom. So boom. Force mapping. Onto headlight. You gotta think like alligator pan. Tune. Pull out this tune. Mad thing. Touch the road in the land. See me. Man. So we circle the ends. Rainfall. Last year, can we nigga about that? The Cadillac. Rather than everything were bad. Everything were mad. Trinidad. Bombard. Trinidad. How long you gonna take to finish? Maybe a day or two. I don't know. Don't rush it. Can't rush it. It go take a while. Can't get estimated time. Cause light can go. New Hemi, big up yourself, bro. Long time no see. BLG faster, big up yourself, my G. Boy. The song name Boy. BLG faster. Critical, big up yourself, my G. Black green fall. Ramil, whatever you're saying, I don't understand what you're saying, sir. Why this? You know, like how this a scale? It's a scale weird. The new wolf. What are you talking about, bro? Roll deep. Roll deep. Yeah, yes, bring this, bro. I just have to take a time on it. Alright, so headlights look like them are. Roll deep in the dog, roll deep. What out of Archie. Roll deep in the dog, roll deep. Oh, gee. only program. Oh, yeah, and the out and the mud out and she lose. And the mud compose. And so this now we are texturing we have put textures on the I put textures on the one. Deep in the dark down deep. Yeah. Who's this? See that? So like it see how inside I have the color. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Dude, that kind of chiga. Roll deep in the dark zone deep. No deep. In the dark zone deep. Oh jeez. So make sure it's both of them. Oh, this one. And I still just one of them. Oh, go on, I said the father. Oh, let me see it now. Hello. Hello, Bingsy. Don't be jump. Dun. May I run taxi with it? Maybe not. We barely see the Voxy I like run taxi nowadays. This I like a new Voxy. So one I ready to enjoy, yeah. If I change the text up on this. Right. Three mile sea view. You deaf? Yeah, I mean. Alright, no jokes. Listen, body pain. Oh, it's chrome. Tonight. Vertic. Drop speed tone pan him, man. Everything dance on. Yo, you know, so I'm sing most of the tune and I don't even know the lyrics them. Mad Max, big up yourself, my G. Young bang. You know wrong dog, me no rubber man. You know a long dog, we no rubber man. Pow! Pow! Two. Bang bang. Big league. Mixing. You know a long dog, we no rubber band. You know what? Hey. We can't see what that is, you know. You know a long dog, we no rubber man. I'll put a different something upon this. Kanika def. Yeah. Alright. Senseless. Yeah, skank now, no sense. Yeah, skank now, no sense in everything. Serious. Oh. Me no know. Twinkle. Oh. Okay. Same way. Or am I going to... You missed the face cam stream yesterday, brother. You missed the face cam stream yesterday. If you did there yesterday, that's the face cam stream. It's obvious, you know. That me I say, I don't want to see my face though. I like looking at my face. Burn up. A joke. I'll be racing just to see you. Zavias, you know. And allow him man alone. Obvious, you know. I'm in love with you, girl. Must be racing, must be just to see you, just to see you. Definitely, bro. Definitely. I'm in love with you, girl. It is brighter frig. Don't you? Yeah, JD, I watch them, brother. Me only do face camp on like gaming. Yeah, I make the whole shape Oxyonix. Somebody already do that, so it don't make sense to me make that. That Axio attack. Are they Axia attack? If I this Axia, somebody already made the Axia. So it don't really make no sense. It don't really make sense me make it. You're already out there, isn't it? If me have it, no, I'm not have it. I don't want it. Anyway, da. Die. I'm trying not to realize I music in the play. When they are singing, just check GTA 5.